Welcome back. In
Welcome.
this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to fix Krisp AI not detecting your microphone. If Krisp AI can't find your microphone, the input device doesn't appear in the app, or your microphone isn't recognized during calls, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most effective solutions to solve the problem. Let's get started. First, make sure your microphone is properly connected to your computer. If you're using a USB microphone, unplug it and reconnect it to a different USB port. If you're using a Bluetooth headset, ensure it's paired correctly and has enough battery power. Next, check whether your computer detects the microphone. On Windows, open *** settings, go to *** system **, then **sound **, and confirm that your microphone appears under the input devices. On macOS, open * system settings *, select ** sound *, and verify that your microphone is listed and responding to your voice. Now, open Krisp AI and go to the audio settings. Check the microphone section and see if your device appears in the list. If it does, select it as the active input device. If it doesn't appear, restart Krisp AI after reconnecting the microphone. Another important step is to allow microphone permissions. On Windows, go to * settings *, then privacy and security *, followed by microphone *, and make sure microphone access is enabled for Krisp AI. On macOS, open privacy and security *, select microphone *, and grant permission to Krisp AI. If the microphone is still not detected, update your audio drivers and install the latest version of Krisp AI. Outdated drivers or software can prevent new audio devices from being recognized properly. You should also disconnect any unused microphones or audio devices to avoid conflicts. Then restart your computer and check whether Krisp AI detects your preferred microphone. As a final solution, uninstall Krisp AI completely and reinstall the latest version from the official website.